Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to start the video off just by thanking all my new subscribers. And if you're new here or new to XRP, then consider hitting the subscribe button to stay informed of all the latest XRP news around the world. Okay, I wanted to share a video with you today because I found a couple of key pieces of information around the XRP price and the reason why it's holding. I feel like we've weathered the storm. I feel like if we were going to go any lower than we previously were a week ago, I think it would have happened already. A lot of people were predicting that XRP was going to go to zero and we'd had our day and the SEC news was going to kill us off. And all of that kind of FUD that we've been battling over the last couple of weeks hasn't come true. We've not only come out of the other side of it, we're actually making progress upwards. So we're building a strong foundation for when we get the clarity from the SEC lawsuit to move into all-time high positions. Again, this is not financial advice. This is my own opinion. And I'm not advising you to make any financial decisions based on the information I give you. I'm just here to report what I see, and it's information that I dig around and find anyway. So let's jump straight into first article. It is from CoinDesk. Asia's retail FOMO could be behind XRP's rally despite SEC's lawsuit. XRP's double-digit gains could be the result of a bold bet by retail investors, especially those in Asia, that the cryptocurrency's price could follow the broader crypto bull run. The latest rally surprised many because it's happening not only long after XRP crashed on the news that the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming the company had sold a token. We know all about that. I've got another video all on that. I'm not going to go into too much detail on that one now. Traders often trade projects on a relative value basis, Chris Thomas, head of digital assets at Swissnote Bank, told CoinDesk on January the 7th. XRP felt cheap a few days ago. Today, it feels normal again, in my opinion. And it does. For me, it feels still undervalued. I mean, I would say that I am a little bit biased towards it, but I still feel it's a very undervalued considering where we were and where we were moving towards. In a lot of my previous videos for the lawsuit news came about, I was predicting a $1 token by the end of the year and then obviously moving up through that. And I think that would have been the case. I mean, obviously nothing's 100% guaranteed, but without this hiccup that we've experienced, I think we would have breezed through the $1 mark and we'd be on our way at the moment to all-time high, because in the previous bull run, or the previous bullish market, I should say, in November, XRP was actually leading the charge percentage-wise and the rest of the coins were following. That goes for Bitcoin and everything. So I feel we could have been there, and I feel this hiccup has just set us back maybe a few weeks or a couple of months at most to the ultimate destination of all-time high. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Where do you think we would have been at the moment? It's just a little bit of fun. Let me know what price we would be at the moment if it wasn't for the SEC. If we just joined in on the bull run, we came the same momentum that we had in December and we just carried on breaking through. What price do you actually think we would be at today? Okay, so moving on, some more bullish news. XRP new account activations hit a one-year high of 9,100 new XRP accounts being activated in one day. So the number of new XRP account activations has hit a one-year high of 9,100. This is despite the crypto exchanges suspending the trading of XRP due to Ripple lawsuit. XRP has claimed the 30-cent price area as support, as well as the number 4 spot on CoinMarketCap. I seen a tweet the other day and it went something along the lines of, don't worry if you've sold based on the SEC lawsuit news a couple of weeks ago. You'll be able to buy back in when the exchanges reopen for $10 per token. That's the FOMO that's kind of taken grasp of people. People are trying to take the custody of their own wallets in their own hands. So that for me is a reflection of what's going on. And people actually believe that certain corporations are shutting the door on XRP regardless of what happens between now SEC lawsuit. They want to still be involved and they want to have access to their tokens in a safe offline wallet. There is a link down in the description if you did want to buy a Ledger Nano or an offline wallet. They are a paid link and they do help out the channel if you do purchase one. Okay, so moving on. In the UK, the HM Treasury has released a guidance note to the UK regulatory approach to crypto assets and stablecoins. And this is a consultation and call for evidence. And I'd like to, it's a very long document, but I'd like to bring your attention to page 5. Okay, so it goes on to deem the different tokens. I'm not going to read through the definitions of each, but e-money tokens, security tokens, we all know what they are and what the SEC are trying to label XRP as. Unregulated tokens, utility tokens, and exchange tokens. And it goes on to say under exchange tokens, tokens that are primarily used as a means of exchange. This includes widely known crypto assets such as Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link. I'm going to leave a link to the download to this PDF just down in the bottom. If anybody wants to peruse through the whole document, you're more than welcome to. So lastly, I'm going to leave you with a tweet by Mantra, #XRP. I think we all know by now that XRP will be used as a neutral bridge currency for central bank digital currencies and digital asset derivatives. And if you don't know, now you know. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you could do me a massive favor, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for me. It doesn't cost you anything and it will keep you informed on all the latest XRP news going on around the world daily. I'll catch you here next time.